All right, big setback for Arvind Kejriwal in the Delhi excise policy case. The top court has now refused to pass an order on a bail plea by Kejriwal. It said it won't intervene in the issue until the Delhi High Court passes its order. The court has said that it would wait for the High Court's order and only then will intervene. And if once the High Court passes it on Tuesday, then the matter will be taken up by the Supreme Court on Wednesday. It means now that Kejriwal will have to remain in Tihar jail until Wednesday. Earlier, the Aam Aadmi Party had raised serious concerns over the health of Arvind Kejriwal. The party had alleged that Delhi Chief Minister is losing weight in Tihar jail and is being denied an opportunity to get his medical tests done.
The court has said today that because the final order of the Honorable High Court is still not has come and it is likely to be pronounced tomorrow, so the matter has been adjourned for day after tomorrow. ये कहा गया था कि आज हमें जो है रिटर्न सबमिशंस अपनी फाइल करनी थी और हम ये उम्मीद कर रहे हैं कि कल तक जो है वो ऑर्डर प्रोनाउंस हो जाएगा।
कई ऐसी गंभीर बीमारियां होती हैं जिसके अंदर बॉडी वेट लगातार गिरता है। मैं नहीं चाहता और हम नहीं चाहते कि मतलब सोच भी नहीं सकते कि इस तरह की बीमारी उनको हो जाए, मगर किसी भी गंभीर बीमारी का पहले डायग्नोज होना बहुत जरूरी है ताकि उसका इलाज समय पे शुरू हो सके। बार बार कहने के बावजूद भी अभी तक उनके कैंसर के टेस्ट नहीं कराए गए, किडनी के टेस्ट और वाइटल ऑर्गन्स के टेस्ट नहीं कराए जा रहे हैं। हम चाहते हैं इस तरीके से गंभीर तौर पे वजन घटना ये साधारण बात नहीं है। हम कोई चीज तो नहीं मांग रहे उनसे, और जेल के अंदर तो प्रावधान है इस चीज का कि आप टेस्ट करा लें, तो आप ये टेस्ट क्यों नहीं कराने चाहते? आप क्या चाहते हैं कि केजरीवाल जी को क्या हो जाए? तो बड़ी गंभीर बात है।
Well, there you have it. You have Saurabh who says Arvind Kejriwal could have an illness which results in his weight loss. He needs to get his medical tests done, but he isn't getting an opportunity to do so. Now, Aam Aadmi Party has been crying foul, saying that this is a vendetta politics by the central government, that the BJP is using the ED to try and suppress the opposition's voice and ensure that the Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal remains in jail. Nonetheless, the ED says in court that they have concrete evidence to prove that Arvind Kejriwal is the kingpin in the Delhi liquor policy case. Let me cut across to Shrishti Oja, who is tracking court for us for more on that. Shrishti, please take us through Supreme Court now denying to take up the matter. As expected, said they will wait for High Court's decision on this and then decide, won't intervene until then.
Well, Nabila, as we know, Arvind Kejriwal approached Supreme Court challenging the interim stay that was imposed by High Court 2 days back on the bail order that had granted him his immediate release on bail. Now, Enforcement Directorate today told Supreme Court that the High Court had made it clear that in 2 to 3 days the order on the stay aspect will be pronounced, and the court is likely to pronounce its order by tomorrow. So, considering that, they made a request that Arvind Kejriwal's lawyer should have waited for that order and should not have approached the Supreme Court. Now, Supreme Court's also clearly made two very important observations here. Firstly, definitely they have refused to pass any order as of today. They have said that they would like the High Court order to come to be pronounced first. Because according to Supreme Court, if before High Court's final order, Supreme Court passes any order, then in a way it would be prejudging the situation, considering the High Court's already apprised of the entire case and has heard the arguments in detail. Secondly, what they pointed out was that the Supreme Court has called it unusual that the High Court decided to reserve the order after hearing the arguments and not pass its final order. According to Supreme Court, usually in these matters where bail is involved, courts do not reserve the order for a later date. They pronounce it on the same day. So that Supreme Court has called unusual as of now. However, they did, after hearing arguments even made by Kejriwal's lawyers, who said that High Court should not have stayed Arvind Kejriwal's bail without even having the trial court's order in its hand. Now, Supreme Court has responded to that argument, saying that it would not, if according to Kejriwal's lawyers, High Court made a mistake by going ahead and hearing the matter without even having the lower court's order in its hand, Supreme Court would not like to make the same mistake, and they would want to wait for High Court's order first and then they would proceed further. So, as of now, after today's hearing, despite arguments by Kejriwal's lawyers that in the interim he should be allowed to be released, because even earlier when he was granted interim bail, he did surrender after Supreme Court's order, after campaigning, he did surrender before the court, and he's not a flight risk, therefore he should be allowed to be out in the interim. Supreme Court refused to pass any order as of today. Supreme Court wants to wait to see what exactly will the High Court decide finally on the stay aspect, because remember, the High Court has reserved its order on ED's plea, but only on the aspect of whether or not the stay should be there on Arvind Kejriwal's bail. So we'll know once we'll know more once the
Only
High
tomorrow
Court
once
decides
the High
to
Court
pronounce
delivers
its
its verdict. Yeah.
Depending
Shrishti,
on what the order is. Yeah.
Thank you very much, Shrishti. We're going to keep our spotlight on the case. Tomorrow is likely when the High Court will deliver a verdict on Arvind Kejriwal's bail.